Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today video, we got a lot of tedious work to do in the garden. So we're gonna show you guys how to deadhead your tulip bulbs after they've been blooming all spring long. What if it's tulips, daffodils, whatever spring season bulb you have, it's that time to deadhead it. Because usually when the weather get real warm, the bulbs, they're gonna go dormant, and prepare themselves for the next season that's coming up. So we're gonna show you guys what we usually do, just to get them ready and what not to do to these tulip bulbs or daffodils, you know what I mean? So if you look over here, all the beds that you guys used to see, all those beautiful tulip bulbs over here, especially had the labels, they was looking crazy. Everyone was in the backyard checking out most of these tulip bulbs. It was gorgeous, man. I missed the look, I missed the feel, but the leaves was getting really yellow, and I had to get in there and, deadhead them basically. Get rid of that yellow looking leaf. It looks so ugly. But walk with me. Same thing with the back. Everything got deadhead over here. Even the crocuses leave signs. You see right here? This is what I'm talking about when they get like this, when they get yellow. That's that ugly look. I got some mulch. I'm gonna put some mulch on top of that. Same thing over here. You gotta go in there. It's very tedious work, man. I don't really love it, but I like my garden looking good. And I'm gonna prepare this bed because I'm gonna put something else in here. I'm not gonna leave it here all summer long looking crazy. So we're gonna get busy. We're gonna do the containers so you guys can see what we usually do. All right, guys. You can see all these tulip bulbs. You see the yellow ones? I want to get these out. These are turning yellow also. But if it was green, the reason why I left it, so the foliage to send back that energy back into the bulbs so they can, mature better and come back better next year. So I left it until it get real yellow. Look at this one. This look crazy to me. So I gotta get in there and do all this tedious work. That's what gardening is about, though. This is the part that most of us don't like, but we gotta get done. All right, guys. We want to get in there. And you could clip it from the bottom. I could have left that green one. But I gotta get all of this out. Next year is gonna be very promising. All of this is just a mess. I always wait up until these things get real yellow. See, like this green one, I'm gonna leave that for a couple more days till the leaf and the foliage get yellow. Then I'll take it out. Because as the weather get real warm, they're gonna go back to sleep. They move fast. You just get used to it. You don't want to pull on this thing too much, or else you could pull your bulbs up. See that? I get it all the way from the bottom. If you wait all summer, this thing is gonna get real messy. It'll be all over in your yard. And believe me, you don't want that. So you might as well get it now, where it's almost dead. Check that out. This looks much better. That way I could put something in this container. You could put like shallow roots plant. You can still do that. I can still do that. It's not a big deal. So I'm gonna do that. What I'm gonna do is put a little bit more dirt on top and put some flour to cover it. And later in the year, I'll remove the dirt back so my tulip bulbs and daffodils, everything could shoot back up. Yeah, y'all. So we're gonna continue to go. So we finished deadheading 5 containers so far. And I left that green foliage. I think about a week or so it's gonna get yellow. And I'm gonna take that out. But for now, like I said, man, this is tedious. If you really want to protect and love your bulbs, do that. I'm gonna cover all of this with mulch and just put them to the side so nothing can dig them up and stuff like that. Because I'm very protective over my containers. All right, guys, so we're gonna continue our processing of deadheading, but we're gonna end the video right now because this is gonna take a while. I gotta move certain things around just to get this done, but we're gonna do it off camera. But I want to thank you guys again for watching our video and being here today. You guys already know, really do appreciate it, and thank you so much. Hey, mama. And if you look over here real quick, I got to deal with this. I got to deal with all this. There's a lot of stuff I got all back there. See the yellow in? This looking crazy over here. You know, it was real beautiful during the spring. It was real. I'm probably gonna show you a overlay of the beautiful pictures, but it was very, very nice looking. And you know, now I gotta deadhead this whole thing. So other than that, don't forget, guys, to like, comment, subscribe. You know, we really appreciate that. Other than that, thank you so much. We out. What you doing up there, girl? Come on, get out of the bed, girl. How you got up there?